Yo, what is up guys? Trinity back again with another video. You know what it is, man. Today I'm going to be breaking down how Asambe Baby by Blaq Diamonds was made. I started off with this organ over here. I found it inside FL Studio and the scale is actually D sharp minor. As you can see, if you take this note up to D sharp minor, I just took them down and alone it sounds like this. So basically over here the chord is just the same as this one. The note, not the chord, I just took it up an octave. And if you can see with this thing, I reduced the attack and then went to this setting over here and polyphony and just made it slide and switch this one and this one to 3. Yeah, for it to like glide in. Here is it without. And then here it is with. Hopefully you can hear the difference. Then from there on I went and did this flute. Not flute, flute. So guys, English. Okay, I did the same here with the polyphony thingy. And then this is a flute by Kevi. Is it Kevi? Yeah. And it sounds like this. I have like a reverb and an EQ on this one, and I also have EQ on this just to cut off the lows and boost the highs a little bit. Then after that I did this expand sound. It's a poly pad just to play in the background. It's super low, same chords, nothing changed. And then from there on I went and did this organ. So these are the organs that I layered together inside Expand, and I also layered it with this one from Purity, as you can see over here. And from there on I did these keys from FL Keys. By the way, I repeat, FL Keys is a go to VST. Nothing will change, my brother. After that I did this bass. I layered 2 basses, as you can see over here, but this one is the main. Then from there on I did the kick. This is my favorite kick, as you know, bruh. The kick pattern is super simple. This bongo over here carries a lot of the bounce of this beat. And then I did this snare right here. Then from there on this hi-hat. If you listen to it carefully, it is penned to the left. So I had to layer it with another hi-hat, and this one is penned to the right. Then from there on I did this open hair over here. As you can see over here, it's kind of pitched down and it's penned to the left as well. Then followed by this head as well. All of these sounds are just to create more bounce. And this one from my TP Essentials drum kit. Then pretty much other ones from TP Essentials, you know, and these ones I just layered, you know, just to make this one sounds a little bit heavier. And I just added my own touch by adding this bass over here. And then I added these ululations over here from Africa drum kit, and I added this Vox as well. Kuza is inside TP Essentials. And then what did I add? What did I add? Oh, I added this choir over here. It's inside TP Essentials, by the way. Just to create like a unique bridge, right? Yeah, so that's pretty much the beat. If you enjoy the content, give this video a thumbs up and also give it a subscribe if you want to see more, and hit that notification bell as well. And yeah, remember, always keep it simple. Peace.